In the heart of the African savannah, where the acacia trees stood tall and the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and gold, lived a humble Agama lizard named Aya. Aya was known for his vibrant colors, a stark contrast to the barren landscape around him. One day, Aya noticed a small puddle reflecting the sun's rays. He was captivated by his own reflection, not realizing that a group of predators were approaching from behind. Aya was so engrossed in admiring his own beauty that he didn't notice the danger lurking nearby. Suddenly, a hawk swooped down, ready to make Aya its lunch. But just in time, Aya was alerted by the rustling of leaves and managed to escape. He realized that his vanity had almost cost him his life. From that day forward, Aya vowed never to let his pride cloud his judgment. He began to use his vibrant colors to warn others of danger, instead of just admiring them. He learned that being proud of oneself is important, but it should never blind us to the dangers that lie ahead. And so, Aya became a beacon of wisdom in the savannah. His story serves as a reminder to us all, while it's good to appreciate our own worth, we must always stay vigilant and not let our pride lead us into danger. Moral * pride can be a useful trait, but it should not blind us to the dangers that surround us. Always stay vigilant and aware.